Well, welcome back to my channel, everybody. I am going on a helicopter tour. That's not something that I've ever done in my life. I mean, I've wanted to do it, but I haven't done it. And I am making my way now to go to that helicopter tour, guys. I'm just gonna show you like a little preview. When I'm gonna make the video long, it's gonna be short and just basically to the point where I'm sharing everything with you. So now, but just I left out of my yard, my drive out now to go into the helicopter. I am so excited, guys. I've never been in a helicopter before, but this is going to be an experience for me, and I wanted to take you guys on a journey whereby I would be vlogging it, but I just not feel like, you know, I just don't feel like I'll be doing all that vlogging shit today. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to be sharing a little bit of the experience with you. I'm just going to take out a few clippings and yeah, put it up together, and so you guys can actually see what it's like from up there, up in the sky. I'm so excited, guys. Let's get into it. Let's get it. I love them looking something. I know them looking something excite me. Them looking something excite me. Yeah, I've always wanted to do it, but I just never, I was not courageous enough. I didn't have the courage to do it. So now I feel like I'm gonna go out there and I'm going to have a little fun up in the air, and I just wanted to take you guys with me. So as soon as I get there, I'm gonna stop the recording now. So when I get there, guys, I'll start it again so you can actually see what's going on.
Alright guys, so I'm inside the helicopter right now. Don't know, it get up and it don't feel like when the plane get up. It actually feel a little different. And yeah, me they all over the place now. Uno look there, people, uno look at the whole world. Look at the world, guys. Oh my god, bird's eye view, right? This is fun. This is definitely something I'm going to be doing again. I really like this. Like,
this view right here literally had me in my feeling. Like, I swear me I go at heaven. Look at that nice. Jesus Christ, that pretty. All right, so this is it. We're going down. We're going right back down to the ground. Like, I must say, I really did enjoy this. This was fun, and it is something that I'm definitely going to be doing again. At first, I had a little phobia because I didn't really like going a plane, but the helicopter tour was totally different. Like, it's different from being in a plane, and I really had fun. I enjoyed it, and that's us. We're landing. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. I really do hope that y'all enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.